Ray's still moving towards him. He thinks he has the knife and he fires again.
In mid-May, during opening statements, Officer Jeff Nelson's defense team said this about the fatal shooting of Jesse Sarey.
There's a difference between a tragedy and a crime.
Before the deadly encounter, 911 calls came in about Sarey throwing garbage, banging on windows, and kicking at vehicles. Officer Nelson responded, telling him to stop or he'd be arrested.
Stop resisting, dude, just go down.
It escalated and ended with Sarey shot twice. Prosecutors say he was never armed. They put police training experts on the stand.
Should a similarly situated officer have used force if Mr. Sarey didn't immediately comply with their instructions?
No.
Over several weeks, the state presented its case. And today, when it was the defense team's turn, they did not call witnesses.
It was took me by surprise.
Elaine Simons, Sarey's foster mom, has been in court every day.
Our understanding was the week of the 24th, Officer Jeff Nelson was supposed to be giving his own, testimony. And so that, again, was just a real game changer.
This is an unusual and risky strategy for the defense.
Mark Lindquist, an attorney not affiliated with the case, is looking toward closing arguments.
What I think we're likely to see here is the defense will argue to the jury that the prosecutor so obviously failed to meet their burden of proof that the defense therefore didn't even need to put on a case.
And I think the real important thing is resolution for everybody and, a sense of justice and accountability.
She adds that this has been more than 5 years since the shooting, so they've been waiting for this trial and for a decision in this case for a long time, Joyce.
And what did the judge have to say about what happened in court today, Natalie?
Well, the judge did tell jurors she thanked them for their patience and told them that they just need to stand by. She released them this morning, and the judge worked with the two sides on jury instructions as they get ready for closing arguments, which could happen later this week or next. Joyce?
Reporting live for us in Kent tonight, Natalie Swaby. Thank you.